What is everyone? In this video I will show you how to use action button on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, hold phone. You will see this is action button. So if you want to use action button, so simply just click on action button. You will see silent mode is turned on. So again click on action button, so you will see silent mode is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off silent mode from action button. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use action button on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.